Well, I was born in Kensington, and I've lived here my entire life. And the neighborhood actually means a lot to me because my mother was a community activist.
I've lived on this side of Kensington. It'll be 2 years in June. So for me, it's a second chance.
I've lived in the Kensington area since 1995 when I first purchased my home. You know, I've seen the neighborhood change a lot, a whole lot.
People are struggling more than ever, and it's heartbreaking. We're raising funds, we are doing food drives. Myself, some other connectors are out, and we are distributing food to the neighborhood.
Being a community connected, that's one of the things that we do. Those are positive programs that are coming into the neighborhood. Why? Because the government is hearing our voices.
You will see a community change. And those are the things that have more impact.
Beautification to combat dumping and graffiti has become an effective method. We're seeing it.
It makes a difference. It does make a difference. As you're driving by on Allegheny Avenue, that's calling your attention.
I don't know if they did another one on
Impact continues to work together with the community, and that's why one of the reasons I became a community connector, because I love what I do.
Finding a type of work that will be long-lasting for generations.
It's the most fulfilling thing that I have ever done. And we're able to see the actual impact of the work we're doing.